Positively Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Disunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga Delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Doc Gigi Disunga. Alright, so 4 stages of wealth. Ayan. Ang wealth kasi may stages yan. So lahat ng bagay, lahat ng accomplishment natin dito sa ibabaw ng mundo, may mga stages, okay? And pero bago ko i-share yung apat na yan, gusto ko lang i-walk through ko kayo. Okay, so saan ba nanggaling tong stages of wealth na to? Okay, kanina I had my class, Eduk 11. Hello sa aking mga estudyante. Shoutout ko na kayo Jed, Nat, Meryl, and April. Absent yung isa, Sheena. Anyway, so nagka-klase kami. That's Eduk 11, teaching profession. And of course, nandun pa rin the 4 pillars of education. So that's learning to know, learning to do, learning to be, and learning to live together. Okay? So habang dinidiscuss namin, na-realize ko na itong stages na to, or itong 4 pillars of education, pwede siya maging stages din ng wealth. Okay? Kasi sa dulo, magiging kang matagumpay. Okay? So, i-apply na natin siya sa buhay natin. Ano ba yung stages of wealth na kailangan mong pagdaanan? Hindi kasi pwedeng isang araw nagising na lang tayo na mayaman tayo. Hindi rin pwedeng isang araw nagising tayo, may kotse na tayo, may bahay na tayo, may investment, may negosyo na tayo, masagana ang buhay natin, and masaya tayo. So, hindi pwede yun. May mga kinakailangan tayong pagdaanan na stages, okay? So, apat yan. Pero bago yan, okay? So, bukas nasa Santa Ana, Manila tayo, and SM North. Meron tayong coach sa Tiba Vlog. So, siguro pwede pang try natin kung may isa pa na may nakuha na po yung slot So, if available pa ako, mag-message lang kayo. And Sunday, nasa Robinsons, Pampanga tayo for another business coaching, okay? May slot pa akong available 2 to 4. So, message ka lang. Alright, 4 stages of wealth. Number 1, doon sa 4 pillars of education po kasi, sa lahat ng mga teachers, alam po natin to hello sa inyo lahat. Mga graduate o nag-aaral pa lang, alam natin to. The first pillar of education is learning to know. Okay? So, kinonvert ko siya, the first stage of wealth is learning also, or the learning stage. Okay? Yun yung bago tayo maman, yung kailangan meron tayong learning stage. Kailangan may time sa buhay natin na nag-aaral tayo, na natututo tayo. So, meron time sa buhay natin that you need to read a lot. May time din sa buhay natin that we need to communicate with other people. Kasi kailangan may nakipag-usap tayo because different types of people, okay, gives different opinions, okay, different knowledge, di ba? At natututo tayo. And kailangan din once in our life, umattend tayo ng seminar. So, it's have your learning time. So, ito yung it's knowledge phase, okay? The first phase or stage is knowledge, okay? So, kailangan nag-accumulate ka ng knowledge. There is really a point in our life na yan ginagawa natin. I just recall ako medyo matagal nga lang accumulation ko ng knowledge 43 years ako nag-accumulate. That's actually 42. When I graduated sa college, I was 20 or 21, then nag-work ako as 22. So, from 22 to, let's say, 42, 20 years. 20 years yung, antagal, no? Yung learning time. Kasi minsan matagal tayong matuto, kaya matagal Meron namang 5 years lang, yung learning time niya, marami na siya natututunan. So, aminado naman tayo doon, medyo tumagal yung ating time doon, okay? So, have your learning time. Kung hindi ka pa wealthy, kung hindi ka pa mayaman ngayon, question ko are you having your learning time? Are you doing the first stage of being wealthy? Nagbabasa ka ba ng mga books? Nanonood ka ba ng mga YouTube channel? Naipag-usap ka ba sa ibang tao? Are you attending seminar? Intentionally, do you want to learn? Okay? So, meron ka bang, na-excite ka ba sa new learning? Na-excite ka ba sa new concept? Every day ba you are hungry for new knowledge? So, yun yung first stage. Dapat maranasan mo yun. Maranasan mo yung napupuyat ka sa gabi because you're reading something, you're learning new skill, di ba? You're acquiring new knowledge, pilit mo niintindi what are these principles, anong magagawa niya sa buhay ko, okay? Second stage, okay? Because of the second pillar of education is learning to do. Second stage natin, second stage of wealth is turn the knowledge into action. Kaya nga, do di ba? So, yung knowledge natin, kailangan meron tayong gawin. Hindi sapat na nalaman mo lang. Okay? It's not enough na natutunan mo na meron palang, kailangan palang mag-save. You have to do actions. Naalala ko, nanood ako ng movie, yung Small Food po ba yun? So, pinapanood sa akin ni Ma'am Jen. Ay, Ma'am Jen Santos, so hope you're okay na. Kasama ko po yung director ng CPD namin. Okay. Medyo masama yung pakiramdam niya kanina. Okay. So, hope you're okay. Pinapanood sa akin kasi ang dami lesson. So, doon ko na-realize, narinig ko, na, sabi doon there was one statement there na, anin natin yung knowledge kung di tayo action. Diba? Anin mo yung knowledge kung hindi mo siya i-apply. And so what kung nalaman mo that investment is good? And so what kung nalaman mong side job is okay, but you're not doing it? Nung nagpunta po ako ng Hong Kong for a seminar, ang dami umiiyak, tapos pag uwi ko dito, gusto na nila sumunod sa akin, ayaw nila muli sa akin. Tawag sila ng tawag. Sabi ko, it's okay na na-challenge kayo. It's okay that you learn something from me. Pero ang gusto ko, action. Kaya nga po pag nagko-coach ako, gusto ko may notebook na dala ang mga kino-coach ko. Like, yung kausap ko kanina, kamit ko na Sunday, pinagbili na ko talaga. Hindi pwedeng walang notebook. Pag walang notebook, lalabas sa sa meeting place, bumili mo ng notebook at ballpen. It's because we want action. Dapat may application. Dapat may application po tayo. Turn your knowledge. Maalam ka ngayon, marami kang knowledge. Turn that knowledge into action. Okay? Turn that knowledge into action. Alright? Number 3, okay? The third pillar of education kasi is learning to be. Yung bang madidevelop ang potential mo. Okay? Kaya nilagay ko, the third stage of wealth is make that action a business. Yung ma-develop ang potential mo. It's either a business or a career. Okay? So, ito na yung potential mo, na-develop na siya. That's the third stage. Una, nalaman mo, may nalaman ka. Second, dahil may nalaman ka, yung nalaman mo, tinurn mo into action. Gumawa ka ng action. Okay? At dahil may action ka na ginagawa sa buhay mo, you can turn that into a business or a career, okay? Or an empire, okay? That can solve your community's problem, or ikaw mismo, ma-develop yung mga talents, potentials mo. Nabanggit ko kanina sa klase ko, sabi ko, ang dami nating potentials. And nakakagulat lang, nakakalungkot lang na hindi natin nagagamit ang potential natin. That's why, ang sabi nga ni, I think Dr. Miles, sino ba yung napakinggan ko? The richest place on earth is the cemetery. Kasi doon ang daming potentials na nabaon eh. Dapat may book na naisulat, new business na naisulat, kaya maraming naduwag, madaming hindi na-discover yung talent nila, yung potential nila. So, anong nangyari? Nabaon lang din. Because you were not able to discover. Because I believe, ulitin ko, nung tayo po ay bago lalangin ng Panginoon, nag-implant siya ng maraming skills, maraming talents, maraming potential. So, it's up to us na ilabas yan. At malalabas mo lang yan when you start acquiring knowledge and when you do some actions. Pag nandun ka sa field, pag gumawa ka, so hindi pwedeng matamad ka na madidevelop ang potential mo. That's the reason ba't ayaw ko ng matamad na tao. Kasi pag wala kang ginagawa, puro ka pahinga, paano mo madidiscover na kaya mo palang magsulat? Paano mo madidiscover na kaya mo palang maging speaker? Okay? By the way, I'm doing a business class, so master business class, dyan po sa how to become a speaker. So, message mo lang ako. Okay? So, that's number 3. And number 4, okay, because the 4 pillars of education is learning to live together with other people. Okay? So, in-apply ko siya. That's the 4th stage of wealth is build a strong relationship and be happy. Ito na yung maayos na relasyon mo. At masaya ka na, komportable ka na sa pamilya mo, sa mga office mate mo, nakakapag-serve ka na. Remember, ang relationship naglalast siya when you are giving something. Kaya mo nang magbigay ng tulong sa family mo, sa mga kaibigan mo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi meron ka ng source. And that's the stage number 3. Okay? So, you start, the fourth stage of building wealth is building relationship. Because this relationship will give you more. Will expand your business, will expand your skill, will expand the opportunities na meron ka. And most of all, you will be happy. Magiging masaya ka. Masaya ka mamumuhay. Alright? So, the fourth stage of wealth. Nasaan ka na ba? Are you still in the first stage? O wala ka pa doon? Hindi ka pa nag-acquire ng knowledge, nagbuhay ka na lang ng kung ano na yung sinabi sa'yo nung nag-aaral ka, yun na lang. Eh, 30%, according to what I read, 30% lang normally yung meron tayong knowledge ngayon na galing sa schooling. 70% after graduating, doon tayo marami na-acquire after graduation. Okay? So, dapat may knowledge ka, start doing, start reading, start doing something. Okay? Second, take actions. Hindi pwedeng wala kang action. Every day, you write simple tasks, small tasks. Okay? And third, create your own business. Create a source of income. Create a career. Okay? Yan magiging source mo to go to number 4, that is strong relationship with your family and be happy. I want you guys to be happy. Okay? So, pero bago natin ma-achieve yan, yung maayos ang relasyon natin, go back to number 1. Go back to learning. Learning, because learning is a discipline. When you started learning, you are disciplining yourself. You wake up early, di ba? Tinitis mo yung ibang mga dapat mong gawin, pinagpapalit mo yung pleasure muna because you want to learn something. Okay? Alright, so, if you need further coaching or mentoring, message mo ko 0939-5254-311. Okay, so see you tomorrow, Manila, and sa Sunday naman sa Robinsons, Pampanga tayo. Meron pa available isang slot. Message nyo ako, nauna po kayo. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go.